This is the destruction caused by the floods to the Umlaas Canal, which runs past Merebank. It bisects Sapref from Mondi. We've never seen such damages even with previous floods.